10 ways to make money with Canva. Are you tired of struggling to monetize your artistic skills? You're about to discover a goldmine right at your fingertips. Today, we're diving deep into the diverse and exciting world of Canva, and we'll be revealing 10 proven strategies that you can use to turn your creativity into a consistent income stream. Stick around till the end because each strategy will build on the previous one, and by the end, you'll be equipped with a comprehensive game plan to transform your Canva skills into a money-making machine. Trust us, you won't want to miss out on these insider secrets. Number 1. Sell custom graphic design services. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the world of graphic design. Have you ever thought about turning your artistic flair into a steady stream of income? Well, with Canva, you can do just that. You see, this is a platform that thrives on creativity and originality. And with the vast array of tools at your disposal, you can create stunning and professional designs without the need for any advanced graphic design skills. Your services could range from creating social media posts, blog banners, infographics, business cards, logos, or even full branding packages. The great thing about Canva is that it provides a vast library of templates that you can modify to suit your clients' needs. By honing your craft, getting to know the ins and outs of Canva, and pitching your services on freelance platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, or even on social media platforms like Instagram or LinkedIn, you can start monetizing your graphic design skills. Number 2. Create and sell Canva templates. Let's talk about templates. Canva is known for its ready-to-use templates. But did you know that you can create and sell your own Canva templates? That's right, it's a fantastic way to capitalize on your creativity and make money. These templates can cater to a wide range of audiences, from small businesses that need social media templates to individuals looking for unique resume designs. You can create a suite of cohesive templates, bundle them together, and sell them on platforms such as Etsy, Creative Market, or your own website. Your potential customers are those who are seeking to maintain a consistent aesthetic but may not have the time or design skills to create their own templates. By doing the hard work for them and providing a set of beautiful, easy-to-use templates, you're providing immense value that people are willing to pay for. Number 3. Print on demand with Canva. The next fantastic way to monetize your Canva skills is through the magic of print on demand. Picture this. You create a beautiful design, upload it to a print-on-demand service, and then earn a commission every time someone purchases a product with your design on it. Canva has made this incredibly easy with its partnership with print-on-demand services like Printful and Zazzle. With print-on-demand, you're only limited by your imagination. You can create designs for t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, phone cases, and so much more. The key to success in this area is originality and understanding your target audience. It's all about creating designs that resonate with people, designs they would proudly wear or use daily. You create, they print, and you earn. It's a win-win. Number 4. Design and sell digital products. We live in a digital age, and that opens up a world of possibilities for making money with Canva. You can design and sell products like ebooks, planners, digital stickers, and more. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and sell them infinitely. There's no need to worry about inventory or shipping. Ebooks, for example, are popular among individuals and businesses alike. You could create an ebook filled with valuable content, tips, and tricks on a specific topic. Or how about designing digital planners? In our increasingly busy lives, digital planners are a convenient tool for organization. Using Canva's array of design tools and elements, you can create eye-catching practical digital products that customers can download and use immediately after purchase. Number 5. Offer Canva training. There are still many individuals and businesses that aren't familiar with how to use Canva to its full potential. That's where you come in. If you're adept at using Canva, why not share your knowledge and skills by offering Canva training? You could create an online course or offer one-on-one training sessions. For example, you could set up a course on a platform like Udemy or Coursera, where you guide students through the basics of Canva, all the way to advanced techniques. With one-on-one sessions, you can provide personalized training, addressing the specific needs and challenges of your clients. By positioning yourself as an expert, you not only make money, but also build a reputation in the industry. Number 6. launch a design service on Patreon. Have you considered turning your Canva skills into a subscription service? Well, Patreon might be the platform for you. Patreon allows creators to earn a monthly income by providing exclusive services or content to their subscribers, also known as patrons. For instance, you could offer a service where you provide custom social media graphics each month. For businesses that want to maintain a consistent aesthetic and save time on design, this would be incredibly valuable. With Patreon, you have the freedom to structure your subscription tiers as you wish, so you could offer different packages depending on the quantity and complexity of the designs. Number 7. Offer social media management services. In the era of digital marketing, social media management is in high demand. Businesses big and small are on the hunt for professionals who can not only manage their social media accounts, but also create engaging and visually appealing content. Canva comes in handy here, as you can use it to design posts, stories, and ads for various platforms. By combining your knowledge of social media trends and strategies with your Canva design skills, you can offer a full-fledged social media management service. You could handle everything from content creation to scheduling posts and interacting with followers. This holistic service can be incredibly valuable to businesses looking to boost their online presence and engagement. Number 8. Create and sell Canva elements. We've already talked about selling Canva templates, but what about elements? Yes, you can also make money by creating and selling Canva elements. These could be anything from icons to frames, shapes, and even unique fonts. The key is to offer something that is not readily available within Canva or that provides a unique touch. You could sell these elements on various platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, or even on your own website. Your target audience could be other graphic designers, businesses, or anyone looking to enhance their designs with unique elements. Remember, it's all about adding value and offering something unique that people are willing to pay for. Number 9. Design and sell invitations. Celebrations and events are part of our lives. Birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, baby showers, you name it. And what's the one thing these events all have in common? Invitations. Canva offers a wide range of tools and resources that you can use to design stunning invitations. Using Canva, you can offer a custom invitation design service, where clients can request unique designs that fit the theme and tone of their events. Or you could design a series of customizable invitation templates and sell them on platforms like Etsy. In the world of digital design, uniqueness and personalization are highly valued. By providing this in your designs, you can tap into a profitable niche. Number 10. Offer resume design services. In the competitive job market, standing out is crucial. That's why more and more job seekers are opting for visually appealing, unique resumes over traditional ones. And with Canva, designing these creative resumes is a breeze. By offering resume design services, you're helping job seekers present their skills and experience in a way that makes them stand out to potential employers. You could offer custom designs or create a series of resume templates that customers can purchase and customize. Remember, your goal is to create designs that are not just aesthetically pleasing, but also clear, concise, and easy to read. Canva is a goldmine of money-making opportunities. With a bit of creativity and effort, you can turn your Canva skills into a lucrative side gig or even a full-time business. The realm of design is ripe with opportunities. Go out there and create!